Moving on back to the national capital, BJP MLA Jitendra Shanti was attacked outside his residence in New Delhi. The footage shows how he was attacked by two men and shot at. Now the BJP MLA is safe and has escaped unhurt.
10-12 बार मेरे घर की घंटी बजाई और रूटीन में बच्चे आते रहते हैं कागज टेस्ट कराने के लिए। तो मैंने मिसिज को बोला कि बाहर देखो कौन आया है, तो मिसिज ने थोड़ा सा देर कर दिया उठने में, तो मैं चला गया उठ के। मैंने देखा एक सज्जन खड़े थे, उनके हाथ में कोई कागज थे, उन्होंने हेलमेट लगा रखा था। तो मैंने हल्का सा दरवाजा खोल के पूछा क्या काम है, तो कहते कागज टेस्ट कराने हैं। मैं बाहर निकला और मैंने कागज उनसे ले लिए। गलती से कागज मेरे से गिर गया, फिर मैंने कागज उठाया, फिर मैंने कहा रुकिए मैं 2 मिनट में टेस्ट करके ला रहा हूँ। जैसे ही मैं दरवाजे से वापस घूमने लगा, उन्होंने मेरे को गरेबान से पकड़ लिया और दूसरे हाथ से रिवॉल्वर निकालने की कोशिश करने लगे। तो मैंने रिवॉल्वर जब देख ली, मैंने सोचा, तो उन्होंने मुझे खींचते खींचते बोलना शुरू कर दिया कि बोलियो मत, तो बोलियो मत, और मुझे 10-15 फुट तक घसीट के ले गए और फायरिंग शुरू कर दी। मैं भागा, हाथापाई हुई मेरी अच्छी खासी उनसे।
I'd like to cut across to Athir Khan, my colleague, who's been getting us the very latest on this. He's on the phone line with us. Athir, do we know the reason why this BJP MLA was attacked?
Well, you see, the police has adequate clues. They have the CCTV footage. They also have questioned Shanti at length to find out the background. But as of now, the police PT is tight-lipped about the investigation. First, they say their priority is to reach to those persons first. There are a number of clues which they have got. Police officers are carrying out the investigation. They're personally looking into this matter. And in the past also we have seen that this modus operandi have been adopted by criminals. But really, what is the reason behind this attack? It will take a while before police to rectify.
Has the MLA hinted at something after you've been talking to him?
Well, you see, the MLA has not been able to identify these persons since he's exposed to public life. There are a number of people who approach him for work, and these persons had the pretext of attestation of certain documents. What is going to be crucial is the CCTV footage on the basis of which police is going to identify those criminals. But as of now, the police is tight-lipped about the investigation.
Can you take us through the sequence of events, Arthur? What exactly transpired? So, can you talk us through the visuals that we are seeing on our television screen?
Well, you see, Shanti says that two persons had approached him and they were wearing helmets. And when they accosted him and they said they have some work, some documents have to be attested by him. So he agreed to it, and then he went inside. When he came back, a paper fell down from his hand, and all of a sudden then they became very aggressive and they started attacking him, dragging him. So that is the sequence of events the police is trying to know. But what happened in the recent past, that will be important for police to find out the identity of these persons.
All right, appreciate you joining us, Athir Khan, getting us the very latest on this incident that has taken place. Trust Headlines today to get you more on that story.